we are going to discuss about our second chapter, the flower textbook exercises. Today, we are moving to discuss about the second chapter, the flower textbook activities or textbook exercises. Then here the first portion, that is a very short answer questions. Pick the correct answers. First one, the flower is attached to the shoot with the help of this part. Answer option A, pedicel. Second question, this wall encloses the reproductive part of the flower, corolla. Then, which is the male reproductive part in a flower? Stamen. This is also known as wind pollination, anemophily. This is the tiny root that emerges from the seed, radicle. In this type of germination, cotyledons or sprouting seed leaves are pushed above the ground as seedling grows. Answer option A, epigeal. This is the process of transfer of pollen grains produced inside the anther to the stigma of the same or another flower. Answer that is called pollination. 8. This is the process of development of a seed into a new plant. Answer that is called the germination. Then option B, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, anther and filament belongs to gynoecium. Answer that is false. A stamen is made up of two parts, a thin slender stalk known as anther and a bilobed filament at its tip. That is, answer is false. Number 3. A flower that lacks at least one of the four whorls is called an incomplete flower. True. Self-pollination happens between same flower. True. Plants that grow in water, including water weeds and pond weeds, are usually pollinated by air. False. If there is any part of the plant other than ovary that participate in fruit formation, then the fruit is called true fruit. False. Epicarp is the middle, sweet and fleshy layer that is edible. False. All seed have two embryonic leaves. False. Then option C, answer the following in one word. Write the answers in one word. Number 1, a flower that lacks at least one of the four whorls. Answer is incomplete flower. Answer is incomplete flower. Number 2, plants in which both male and female reproductive parts are present. Bisexual. Number 3, the process of transfer of pollen grains to the stigma. Answer is pollination. Number 4, the process of fusion of male gamete or male cell with the female gamete or female cell. Answer is fertilization. Number 5, this part of the flower swells, become big and ripen. Answer is ovary. Number 6, it is the embryonic part present within the seed. Answer is cotyledon. Number 7, in this type of germination, cotyledon or sprouting seed leaves remain in the soil due to the elongation of epicotyle. Answer is hypogeal germination. And using the picture clue and guess the answers. Then number 1, type of germination. We can see two diagrams, one A, picture A and picture B. Then picture A, that is called epigeal germination. A is epigeal germination and B is called hypogeal germination. Then type of seed. A and B, two types of seeds are there. Number A, that first one, A, that is two cotyledons, that is called a dicot. Then here one, that is called a monocot. And this is called a monocot. And option E, complete the concept map. Here, complete the concept map. Here we can see one chart and fill the black boxes. Here flowering plant possess. What are the things possess the flowering plants? Flowering plant possess flower, then undergo reproduction by the process of pollination. Then after pollination they produce fruit. Then this fruit protect and possess seed. Then seed are of two types. The seed germinate in three ways. These are the terms. If the seed is germinate, if they given water, oxygen and optimum temperature. And the seed are of two types, monocot and dicot. Then the flower, four whorls are there. We know that flower consists of four whorls. Which are the four whorls? Calyx, corolla, androecium, that is the male reproductive organ. Then gynoecium, female reproductive organ. And this is the concept map. I think you all understood the textbook exercise. All these answers write in your textbook. Thank you all.